6 recession-proof businesses to start now. You guys know I'm all about that hustle, that entrepreneur grind. And let me tell you something, the name of the game is always being ahead of the curve. Look, nobody wants to talk about recessions, but they're a fact of life. The economy goes up, the economy goes down, that's how it works. But here's the thing, smart entrepreneurs, they don't get scared, they get ready. When times get tough, you need to be in a position of strength. That means having multiple streams of income, it means being adaptable, and it means being in businesses that can weather the storm. That's what we're diving into today. We're talking about recession-proof businesses, the kind that thrive even when times are tough. I'm talking about businesses that tap into fundamental human needs, businesses that are built for the long haul. If you're serious about taking control of your future, about building something real, you need to know about these businesses. So buckle up, get your notebooks out, because we're about to break down 6 recession-proof businesses you can start in 2024. Listen up, the internet has changed everything. It's not just a place to hang out anymore, it's where business gets done. E-commerce is exploding and it's not slowing down. People are shopping online more than ever before, and that's not going to change. Now, I know what you're thinking, Gary, I don't have products, I don't have a warehouse. That's where dropshipping comes in. Dropshipping is the ultimate side hustle. You find a product people want, you create a website or use a platform like Shopify, and you start selling. No inventory, no overhead, just pure hustle. The best part? E-commerce is only getting bigger. We're talking trillions of dollars being spent online. This is your chance to get a piece of that pie. Don't sleep on this. E-commerce is the future of business. Every business, I don't care if you're selling lemonade or launching rockets, needs digital marketing. It's how you get found online, it's how you build your brand, and it's how you connect with your customers. SEO, social media, content marketing, these are the skills that businesses are willing to pay for, even in a recession. Why? Because they need to reach their customers and they need to do it effectively. This is where you come in. Learn the skills, master the platforms, and become the go-to person for businesses looking to crush it online. The demand is there, the opportunity is massive. Look, people always need their homes cleaned no matter what the economy is doing. It's a fact of life. People are busy, they have lives, and they're willing to pay for convenience. This is a business that's all about providing value. You're not just cleaning homes, you're creating a healthier, more organized environment for your clients. And let's be real, who doesn't love coming home to a clean house? This is a business you can start small and scale up. Get a few clients, do amazing work, build that word of mouth and watch your business grow. Are you great at something? Do you have knowledge and skills that other people need? Then freelance consulting might be your jam. Businesses are always looking for experts, for people who can help them solve problems and achieve their goals. The beauty of freelance consulting is that you can do it from anywhere. You set your own hours, you choose your clients, and you build a business around your passions. Platforms like Upwork and LinkedIn are gold mines for finding clients. Put yourself out there, showcase your expertise, and start building your freelance empire. Subscription boxes are all about tapping into people's passions. Find a niche, curate amazing products, and deliver an experience that people will love. From fitness to food to fashion, there's a subscription box for everything. The best part? People love the convenience and the surprise of getting a box of goodies delivered to their doorstep every month. It's a business model that's built for recurring revenue. Think about it. Even when money is tight, people are willing to indulge in small luxuries that bring them joy. The world of health and wellness is going digital. Telehealth, virtual coaching, online fitness, these are booming industries. People want convenience, they want accessibility, and they're turning to technology to get it. If you have a background in health, wellness, or coaching, this is your time. Build a platform, create valuable content, and connect with people who are looking to improve their lives. The potential here is massive, and it's only going to get bigger as more and more people embrace the power of virtual health. There you have it. 6 recession-proof businesses that can set you up for success in 2024 and beyond. These are businesses that are built on value, on convenience, and on tapping into the things that people need and want. The key is to find something that you're passionate about, something that you can see yourself hustling for. Don't be afraid to experiment, to try new things, and to put yourself out there. The biggest risk is not taking any risk at all. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these businesses gets you fired up? Let me know in the comments below, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more game-changing content. Let's crush it.